This is the pattern. Copy the size you're interested in. I am using a stretchy cotton fabric, and it's double right sides together, and the back piece is going to be on the fold. Then I add 1 centimeter in seam allowance on the sides and on the shoulder. Cut according to your markings. Slip the scissors in between the fabrics and cut one of the fabrics according to this line. Lay the pieces right sides together and pin the shoulders. As you can see, the front pieces should be wrapped over each other. Pin the sides and sew with a stretchy seam and 1 centimeter in seam allowance. Press the seam allowances towards the back. You need to hem these short edges on the front pieces. So you fold 1 centimeter towards the wrong side, press it and sew with the stretchy seam. In the neckline and in the armholes, I'm going to leave the edges raw, but I'm going to sew a decorative seam with a different color of the thread. So you choose something that you think look nice and you sew with the presser foot's edge towards the edge of the fabric. At the bottom of the dress, I'm going to sew a rolled hem. I'm using a small zigzag stitch, and you should be sewing right on the edge. And you can stretch the fabric a little bit so you will get a wavy look. You need to try this on your sewing machine and see how the settings should be on your sewing machine. I am attaching a ribbon. I'm pinning it right below the armholes. I'm leaving about 30 to 50 centimeters for the ties. And then I pin the ribbon all the way around. And at the end I'm going to leave about 30 to 50 centimeters for the ties. When I sew with a straight stitch on the ribbon and through the dress. At the bottom of the dress I would like another piece of fabric which is going to have a rolled hem too. So I measure the hem and then I cut a piece that is about 6 centimeters wide and I hem it as I did on the dress. Then I'm going to pin it so it shows a little bit, and then I'm going to add lace. So I sew through the lace, the dress and this attached piece. As you can see, I have sewn with a zigzag stitch on the lace. You need to sew a small buttonhole on one of the sides, right below the armhole, so you can pull the ribbon through and make the ties in the back. Press the dress, and when you have sewn your buttonhole, you are finished. Please visit my Patreon, Sew for Kids, where you will get this pattern and a lot of more patterns.